Good afternoon, Doctor. Welcome to the 20th IAACON 2024. So, Odisha being the host of such a prestigious conference. So, what is your feeling?
Actually, it's good to see, all the stalwarts coming to Odisha and showing their different techniques and the technologies. So that is always good. And more so, all the the business houses, mostly the companies, they come over here and try to show you the newest technologies and different ways to handle the problems. And obviously, the robotic is now in the currently in the trend. So we're all interested to learn. Hopefully, we'll be learning that.
Doctor, you are also one of the speakers in this prestigious conference. So, would you like to throw some light on your topic?
Yeah, that's a different, completely, again, a lateral unicondylar was my talk, so which is quite a not so common surgery. So I wanted to present to make sure that we do such kind of surgeries just to make the other people aware that the lateral compartment can also get involved, and this can also be handled by a lateral unicondylar knee replacements, which is not so common, but one should start doing it.
Doctor, would you like to speak on important, like any of the few research and advancement which has been done this year and is going to be discussed during this conference in the field of arthroplasty?
Yeah, the arthroplasty is all we talk about the different kinds of the alignments. The alignment is getting changed every year. We listen to some newer talks. So probably the concept is always evolves. I think that there is always a need. And most of the reason being, I think probably the knee joint is never that satisfying for every patient. So that's one of the major talk for every, the plastic system goes on. They keep on talking about different kinds of alignments. So hopefully we'll be listening some different kinds of alignment today.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you, sir.